Mathermic, a modern facade system that combines thermal insulation with the timeless clinker tiles. The system is made of modules. We offer 10-row straight and corner modules. These are manufactured in thicknesses ranging from 40 to 60 millimeters, which can serve as an independent facade layer or facade finishing layer. Each module consists of an outer specially prepared layer of clinker tiles, poliurethane, sand-soaked with polyurethane, filling the joints between the tiles and special plates indicating mounting spots, which during the production process are drowned in polyurethane foam. The mathermic system is a quick and easy assembly process. The wall to which the mathermic system will be mounted should be dry, clean, degreased and free from any cracks. In the case of unevenness larger than 2 centimeters, the wall should be leveled. The mounting is done in good weather conditions and with temperatures above 5 degrees centigrade. It can be performed by persons who have never laid clinker tiles before, using standard tools such as a drill, screwdriver, diamond saw blade, mixer, notch trowel and palette knife. We start work by fixing a well-leveled starter strip. If we use corner modules, then we start the assembly with them. We mix the adhesive mortar according to the manufacturer's instructions. A minimum of 50% of each module surface area should be covered with adhesive mortar. The next step is to fix the module to the wall. As a standard, 9 to 12 screws are used, which are inserted in the specifically indicated places. We place subsequent modules in an analogous manner by moving them to the already placed system components. The module connections need to be sealed with mounting foam. After finishing mounting the modules on the wall, glue the missing tiles in places where the modules meet. Clinker adhesive mortar should be applied to the tile. Placed in the indicated spot and pressed down. Remove excess glue. After completing assembly and masonry works, allow for the time recommended by the mortar manufacturer to guarantee the stability of the glued tiles. Grouting is carried out in conditions imposed by the mortar manufacturer. As a rule, in good weather, this is in temperatures above 5 and below 30 degrees centigrade. We prepare the mortar according to the manufacturer's instructions, so that it reaches the consistency called semi-dry. The ready mortar we place on a grouting float, and with the help of a grouting trowel, optimal width approximately 10 millimeters, we place it in the spaces between the tiles, giving it the required shapes. After completing the work, clean the facade of excess mortar. The mathermic system means that frequent facade renovations are not required and heating costs are reduced by up to 30%. The mathermic system successfully replaces much thicker traditional facade systems while maintaining the same insulation parameters, thereby reducing the roof surface and increasing the amount of light entering the building.